If you are looking for a tool that can rewrite AI generated content to sound more human and potentially reduce AI detection scores, you have probably come across Bypass AI. In this review, I'll cover its features, pricing, pros, cons, and whether it's worth using. What is Bypass AI? Bypass AI is an AI humanizer designed to rewrite content generated by tools like ChatGPT, Gemini, and Cloudy. Its goal is to make AI written text sound more natural while improving readability and helping it pass AI detection tools. Key features. One of the main features is AI text humanization. You simply paste your content and Bypass AI rewrites it using more natural language patterns. It also includes built in AI detection checks, allowing users to see how their content performs against common AI detectors. Another useful feature is readability improvement. The tool often simplifies sentences and adjusts wording to make content easier to read. For content creators, marketers, and students, Bypass AI can also help save time by quickly rewriting large amounts of text. Pricing. Bypass AI offers both free and paid plans. The free version typically comes with limited word counts and fewer features, while paid plans provide higher usage limits, faster processing, and access to advanced rewriting modes. Pricing may change over time, so check the official website for the latest plans. Pros. Easy to use with a simple interface, fast content rewriting, helps make AI generated text sound more natural, includes AI detection and analysis, suitable for bloggers, marketers, and content creators. Cons. Results may still require manual editing. No tool can guarantee passing every AI detector. Quality can vary depending on the original text. Advanced features require a paid subscription. Is Bypass AI worth it? Bypass AI is a useful tool for everyone who regularly works with AI generated content and wants to improve its readability and human like tone. However, it's best used as an editing assistant rather than a guaranteed solution for avoiding AI detection. Always review and personalize the final output before publishing. Overall, Bypass AI offers a straightforward way to humanize AI written content with useful rewriting and detection features. If you have tried Bypass, let us know down below in the comments about your experience. Thanks for watching and do not forget to like and subscribe for more AI tool reviews.